Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a small haul to share with you. I popped to the local town near me and I picked up a few. They're going to be really random. There are a few craft bits, but the rest aren't. I've got some books to share with you which I'm really excited to read, and some other bits. So the first thing, I'm going to start off with some clothing. I know I don't really share clothing on this channel, but I just picked these up, so I thought I'd pop on and share. These are from Marks's. I absolutely love Marks's clothes. I think they just wash up really nice, especially for little ones. So I picked up this top for my little one. This was £14. I got it in size 7s to 8. I do find that Marks's come up a little bit bigger, which is lovely. Yeah, I just thought it's really cute, and great for obviously winter, and then to, I guess, wear on top of that, I got him a hoodie as well. Again, I think I've got 7s to 8 in that as well. Yeah, this one was £18, and I just like the image. It's got like snowboarding or skating on the back. Yeah, just think outside. I think it says no box required. Really nice. So I got those two. I always find they have so much for girls and like aisles and aisles of girls in Marks's, and then you just got like one little section for boys. But yeah, so I ended up finding those in there for him. Then I've got some, this was from Sainsbury's. I just saw these were really cute. They're Hello Kitty. I think they're left over from their Halloween collection, so I picked up those badges. And then these were from a charity shop. So this one is special occasions. These were all 99p. Yeah, so it's got special occasion stamps. So like for birthdays, get well soon, thank you, wedding. They're just clear stamps. I don't know if they've been used or not. To be honest, I didn't even look. They don't look like they have. And they actually look like, oh, this, I think that one star's missing there, but the rest are in there. So that's pretty cool. I'll just put that there for now. And then this one is assorted gift stamps. Again, I guess birthday kind of themed. And you've got like gift tag, thinking of you, happy birthday, to and from, and again a clear set, 99p. Let's have a quick look, see if they were all in here. Yeah, yep, they're all in there, which is cool, for 99p. And then the next set actually came with a little stamping block. I'm trying to see what it says on there. No, that says thank you, but I can't make out what that says. It's just got some flowers. Really cute set. And then the last one is this woodland folk clear stamps. Really cute. Picked just for you. Yeah, really cute image on there. So that was from the charity shop. And then the next few bits is some books I want to share with you. So the first one is this one. This is Icebreaker. There's 3 books I picked up from Asda, and then the last books, I think there's, how many is there? 1, 2, 4. They've got a deal on at the moment. This is obviously for the Black Friday deal. It's 4 for £7.50, which is an awesome deal. So if I do apologise, by the time this goes up, that deal most probably won't be still running, but I know that they still have a deal. It's 3 books for £7.50, which is still a good deal. So this one's called Icebreaker, and it's kind of like, obviously, ice hockey, and I presume she's a skater. It's kind of like a romancy, yeah. So it says Anastasia Allen has worked her entire life for a shot at Team USA. It looks like everything is going according to plan when she gets a full scholarship to the University of California at Maple Hills and lands a place on their competitive figure skating team. So yeah, I'm excited. I've heard quite a lot of people talk about that one, so I'm excited to read that one. Next one is the Cinnamon Bun book. I previously did a haul and I shared the Christmas Farm and one of the other ones, I can't remember. I think it's like the Spice Calf kind of one. Oh, it might say them in here actually. Normally have it, yeah. So in my previous haul I shared the the Christmas Tree Farm and the Pumpkin Spice Calf. So I picked up this one, the Cinnamon Bun book. All it takes is a little bit of sugar and spice. So yeah, I'm really excited to read that one part of the series. Next few books, these were from the Works. So, but they, like I said, they normally have the deal 3 for £7.50, but because of Black Friday it was 4 for £7.50. So I've got this one. This one looked really good. I don't know if this is part of a series, but it's like fae and realms and things, and yeah, all sorts of stuff that I like. So I'm excited to read. I don't think this is, I think this is a standalone book. So 7 of Earth, so I'm really excited to read that one. This one, In a Dark Wood. I've not heard anyone mention this before. Says Nora hasn't seen Claire for 10 years, not since the day Nora walked out of her old life and never looked back, until out of the blue an invitation to Clara's hen party arrives a weekend in a remote cottage, in the perfect opportunity for Nora to reconnect with her best friend, to put the past behind her, but something goes wrong, very wrong. And as secrets and lies unravel out in the dark wood, the past will finally catch up with Nora. So yeah, sounded cool, so I got that one. This one, I liked the sound of it. I've never heard anyone talk about this before. It's called Beneath the Lemon Trees, and it's set in Greece, which again, just obviously because I'm half Greek, so and I really like the colour. It just reminded me of, yeah, Greece. So heartbroken after the loss of a friend and the collapse of her marriage, Stella hopes that this trip to the idyllic Greek islands of Crete will give her and her family a chance to heal. When she first steps into the beautiful villa with its views over the water, intoxicating scene, and lemons, Stella troubles seem to melt away. Yeah, it just seemed really really cool. I guess more summery, maybe not this sort of time of year, but I might save this for the new year and read this. I mean, I've got so many at the moment to get through, so this will most probably be one that I read in 2026. And the same with this one. This one is A Wedding in the Sun, and I think it's about two people that have been invited to this wedding abroad, but neither of them really want to be there, and they end up, I think their plane lands in a different part or something. It has to land on forces the plane to land on the wrong side of the island. Yeah, then they I guess they don't get on, and then they do get on. But I just thought it's quite a nice summer easy read. It just sounded really good. So yeah, definitely go and check out, like I said, the works on their books. Oh, it's gone so dark. I do apologise, guys, for the lighting in this video. It's just a horrible, gloomy day. But as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.